They take my soul, I take it back, and I'm told that's wrong. I guess I'll just pretend that everything's fine and everyone's friends, and then I fall flat-footed on my face again. Do it up now! Well, me and my sanity, we've been living on the run. What's best, what's next, just hold your breath, keep moving on. I guess I'll just pretend that everything's fine and everyone's friends. Well, raise your hands if you need more. Had enough of these growing pains, gotta do it my own way. Steps back on and I feel like back again. Cause if we're doing it all the same, we're gonna live the same way. Then we'll fall backwards in our face again. They say humanity, I say humiliation. Let's look to the past and bring it back instead of original creation. Can't get it through my head why everything done's being done again. Is repetition the mission, and you're sitting at home just changing station? Had enough of these growing pains.